Is it better to cut wood when it's wet or dry? The answer could make a big difference in your woodworking project. And if you're looking for your next project, check out the first link in the description for 16,000 woodworking plans, a CAD plan viewer, 150 premium videos, free custom plan requests, and free plans for life. Wet or green wood can be easier to cut because it contains more moisture and may be softer. It's useful for certain types of carving, turning, and green woodworking. But here's the catch: wet wood changes as it dries. It can shrink, warp, twist, or crack. For furniture, cabinets, and other precision projects, properly dried and acclimated wood is usually the better choice, especially for your final cuts. For firewood, however, you can cut it green and then split and stack it to dry. So remember, don't just ask whether wood is wet or dry, ask what you're building and how the wood will behave afterward. For more woodworking projects and plans, check the first link in the description.